Enough people understand what Buju Banton son say. I don't know if I slow or something wrong with my brain. Buju Banton son say him almost turn fish.
I literally almost turn fish. You see me? Because you know Satan manipulate your mind and your character. But you see, because my father sang drag back my memory. But I say weird. No man, no my father sing boom bye bye. She know? I took her next day. I walk to church. And I said, this is it.
When you say you almost, no, he didn't do anything physical. But when you say you almost turned fish, what that means?
Because the enemy of my mind, the enemy of my mind are weird.
So you were lusting after men?
More they say lust still, but the idea of it.
Bye bye in a body boy head.
You were lusting after men?
More they say lust still, but the idea of it.
Okay.
Isn't
Okay.
Isn't because remember your old alright, remember say why me never fully understand when I deal with, you know. But that I face rejection too. With feel like that door that they close at one point with woman.
Almost not in a batty boy business, you know.
J Progress went further and suggested the comments could end up damaging Buju Banton's legacy, especially considering the history of Buju's music and the controversy surrounding some of his songs. Throughout the live, J Progress kept repeating that he might be misunderstanding the situation, but he said the whole thing still didn't make sense to him. Now, the clip is circulating online and people are debating what was really meant in the interview. What do you think about J Progress's reactions?
Or something wrong with my brain. But me not really understand it. Buju Banton son say him almost turn fish. No almost not in a batty boy business, you know. No almost, no nothing like them, then in them something there. So is either me slow or me just lack the capability to overstand what him did I say. Me feel like that boy I really hate him father for true. Because I have to destroy your daddy career where have a world song where say boom bye bye in a some boy head. This no make no sense, you know. Me convinced that boy I hate him daddy. Me convinced that boy I want to destroy Buju Banton. Me don't know if me I look pan it wrong, but as far as I know, nothing at all when name maybe or almost or nothing of them lines there because brother, from you go down the route of thinking certain type of way and thinking about me confuse ya, sir. Me confuse.